So here we have one question related to our topic, that is accounting treatment of existing goodwill. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses equally. They decided to share future profits and losses in the ratio of 2:2:1. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 60,000. Show journal entries under each of the following alternative cases. Case 1, when no goodwill appear in the books. Case 2, when goodwill appear in the books at rupees 30,000. Under this, again one case, existing goodwill is to be written off. Then existing goodwill is not to be written off, that is carried in the books of the firm. So here you can see I have prepared one working note. Yes, while solving any of the question, always remember that you need to show all the working notes in your solution, because this include marks too. Suppose the question, this particular question asks for 6 marks, then 2 marks is allotted for this working note. Okay student, so always keep in mind whenever you solve any of the question, just keep it a habit of showing working note. So here for the working note I have calculated sacrifice or gain made by the partner. Because there is change in their profit sharing ratio, some of the partners might be gaining or the other one will be sacrificing. So let us calculate that first. Here we have 3 partners. Their old share was equal, so each partner will get 1/3. New ratio is also given in the question, that is 2/5, 2/5 and 1/5. I have used the formula of sacrificing ratio, and the formula is old share minus new share. So here the answer is A got minus 1/15. This minus denotes he is a gaining partner. In the same manner, B minus 1/15, again a gaining partner. C has sacrificed because his old share was more than the new one. How much he sacrificed? 2/15. So he is a sacrificing partner, being a positive fraction. Now coming to our cases. Case 1, when no goodwill appear in the books. When no goodwill appear means there is no such existing goodwill in the balance sheet. बैलेंस शीट में कोई भी पुरानी कोई गुडविल है ही नहीं. सो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन विद जर्नल एंट्री वी नीड टू पास यस द सेम विच वी डिस्कस्ड इन आवर प्रीवियस क्लास, दैट इज गेनिंग पार्टनर टू sacrificing partner. Here who are the gaining partners? Yes, you can see A and B are the gaining partner, so they will compensate the sacrificing partner. That means the entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to C's capital account. Now how much they will compensate to C? So here is the calculation. Goodwill of the firm is given in the question. You can see here it is 60,000. Can you see? Here it is the amount. 60,000 is given goodwill of the firm, and no goodwill appear in the balance sheet. So this particular 60,000 to be distributed, to be calculated here. Okay, here it is. C has sacrificed 2/15. Just now we have calculated. So 2/15 of rupees 60,000, 8,000 will be credited in C's capital account. Here I have written 8,000 in front of C's capital. A has gained how much? 1/15th share. So 1/15th of 60,000 is 4,000. His account will be debited by rupees 4,000. He will pay 4,000 to C. In the same manner, B has also gained 1/15th share. So 1/15th of 60,000, again same amount 4,000. So B will also pay this 4,000 to C. So the entry is A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to C's capital account. 4,000, 4,000 and 8,000. Understood? So whenever it is written when no goodwill appear in the books, the firm's goodwill we need to debit or credit over here. The share, how much they have sacrificed or gained, we need to calculate that first. Then accordingly we need to post the amount. Then moving on to our second case. What is the second case? When goodwill appears in the balance sheet rupees 30,000. Here it is. When goodwill appears in the book at rupees 30,000. Under this we have two cases. When existing goodwill is written off, when existing goodwill is not written off. So let's talk about case 2. First case. Under case 2, our first case is when existing goodwill is to be written off. So here we have goodwill appear in the balance sheet 30,000 which needs to be written off. So we have just now discussed the entry of existing goodwill, the treatment of existing goodwill. If it has to be written off, the journal entry will be all partners capital account debit to goodwill account, and in which ratio you will distribute the amount in their old profit sharing ratio. Yes. So who are the partners over here? A, B, C. A is capital account debit, B is capital account debit, C is capital account debit to goodwill account. Goodwill appear in the balance sheet. It is given in the question 30,000 and their old profit sharing ratio was equal. So each partner will be debited by rupees 10,000. Okay, 30,000 into 1 by 3, it is 10,000. So 10,000 will be debited in their account. Now we need to pass one adjustment entry also. Okay, one adjustment entry also we need to pass because goodwill of the firm is also given here. In the first one, we write off the existing goodwill, but what about the goodwill which is appearing? Goodwill of the firm which is given 60,000 is also given. Present value is 60,000 is also given. So for that, we will pass one adjustment entry, the same entry, that is gaining partner to sacrificing partner. A is capital account debit, B is capital account debit to C is capital account. 60,000 which is the firm's goodwill, present goodwill, that we need to write here. Okay, so same 2 by 15th of 60,000 is 8,000. 1 by 15th part of 60,000 is 4,000. Again 1 by 15th part of 60,000 is 4,000. So here I hope you understood the first case. Case 2, it is written when goodwill appear in the books rupees 30,000. Under this we have first case existing goodwill written off. तो हमने existing goodwill जो 30,000 बैलेंस शीट में थी उसके लिए हमने पास किया फर्स्ट एंट्री, that is all partners to goodwill. बैलेंस शीट में जो goodwill है amounted rupees 30,000 and existing goodwill whenever you write it off, we will write off in their old profit sharing ratio which was 1:1:1. So 10,000. Then we have one more entry. Why so? Because goodwill of the firm is also given. The present value of goodwill is also given. So for that particular amount which is 60,000, we have passed one adjusting entry, that is gaining partner to sacrificing partner. Okay, 4,000, 4,000 and 8,000. Now moving on to the second case. Under case 2 we have second case when existing goodwill is not to be written off. Existing goodwill को आपको written off नहीं करना है, तो कैसे इसको treat करोगे? So here you have two amount of goodwill. Okay, goodwill आपका firm's goodwill is also given 60,000 and goodwill appears in the book is also given 30,000. So whenever you have such amounts, like two amounts of goodwill is given in this particular question, we need to calculate the adjusting amount. Okay, adjusting amount, how will you calculate? Just subtract the amount from the value of the firm's goodwill. We will subtract the existing goodwill amount. Here we are getting 30,000 remaining amount. Now this 30,000 remaining amount will be distributed between the partners. Entry will remain same, that is gaining to sacrificing partner, but here amount you will calculate out of rupees 30,000 which is a remaining part. Okay, which is a remaining part, out of that you need to calculate the amount. So 2 by 15th of 30,000 is 4,000. credited the account of C. 1 by 15th of 30,000 is 2,000, debited gaining partner's account as well as B's capital account, same amount 2,000. So understood the concept? When goodwill is to be written off, entry will be all partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Here it is, all partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Second entry is all about present value of goodwill because it is given in the question. So for that particular amount we have passed adjusting entry. Another case we have when existing goodwill is not to be written off. It is not to be written off. So what we need to do, because we have two amount of goodwill, we need to find out the adjusted amount, the remaining balance of amount. Then that amount to be distributed among the partner. Entry is gaining partner to sacrificing partner, 2,000, 2,000 and 4,000.